Greetings, everyone. This is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we're going to be looking at RecoveryFox AI. So this is a software where it will allow you to recover data from many different places. So it gives you this window here, and these are my connected drives. So this is the hard drive that's connected to my computer, and then I also have a external hard drive connected. But for some reason, it's separated into four partitions, which is really strange because I had this drive on my Xbox before and I'm trying to reformat it. So hopefully this will give me an option to reformat it. I certainly hope it does. But we're going to go look in here and then it'll just do a scan. So we're not, oh, give me a second. What was that? Sorry about that. I got a little startled there. I heard something outside. But anyways, we're just going to go and quickly scan something here. So we're going to look at system update, and then it'll just allow us to scan it. So it'll say quick scan completed, processing find files, and it's going to use AI to scan it. So AI-powered recovery, deeply scan and restore the lost files, even if data is partially overwritten, it may be recovered. So this is a recovery software where if somehow you lose your data, it'll recover it. So the AI scan will run through and it'll select and find all the files in your selected media. So it's basically due to accidental deletion, quick formatting, or unexpected failure, which can be covered through a quick scan before writing new data. So this is really interesting to know. And it shows here the AI scanning. Then you can either pause it or stop it. Shows the found files and then what's selected here. So depending on how fast your computer is, this might take some time. So we're just going to pause it for a sec. Actually, we're just going to process the data that was already found, and then it's going to show here the embedded files. So these are mostly pictures, I think. So apparently this file had pictures. Well, this hard drive was used to store Xbox games, but I'm trying to reformat it so that I can put it in my Xbox One. So I'm not sure how to do that here. So I think this software is just for recovering files. So if you ever should lose your files somehow, this software will allow you to recover it. So we've just seen how it works, but the scan process takes a lot of time depending on how big your hard drive is. So I guess the bigger the file, the longer it takes to scan, and also depending on your computer. Because if it's an SSD, it'll scan it really quickly. If you have a standard hard drive, which I have here, it may take a little bit longer. So it just depends on what you have. So that pretty much explains it. You can just go through the options here, look at the settings, you can skip empty space, then you can skip embedded subfiles. Then you can just go OK there. And then there's like a chat support system here where you can get support on the software. So it shows you all your chat support here, restore your license, inquiries, and all that. And then here I think you can shop for a license. If you click on the shopping card, it'll take you to a website that will allow you to do that. So otherwise, yeah, let's just see here. This is an unregistered version, so we don't really have all the features here. So we're going to go here, check for updates, and you can also check on their socials for more information. But otherwise, the software is pretty straightforward. And then it allows you to filter function. And then there's also, well, we're not going to finish the complete scan here. So it shows the size of the JPEGs here. But it doesn't give me a chance, oh, it gives you a chance to preview them. Okay. Let's recover it. No, we don't need to recover that. So it gives you the option to recover files if necessary, but otherwise I'm a bit behind schedule, so we're just going to leave it at that. So you can go back to the home page here. So this is your home page, and you can go to quickly access the recycle bin in the PC. This disk will be ignored. So that's, yeah, the recycle bin error. We don't really need to worry about that. So it scans the recycle bin here to find out anything wrong. We can just close that, go back to the home page. Then it goes to your desktop, and then it scans your desktop and shows you what's on your desktop currently and also what can be recovered. So depending on how long your scan is and also the speed of your computer, it may take some time. So we're just going to wait on that a bit. Let's just do that. So we're just going to just have to unplug my headphone a second. Okay. So we're just going to stop that now because I don't have time to scan everything. It's going to organize the found files, and then it's just going to go through and see what's available. Okay, so that's just how the software looks. And then if you just close out of that, it takes you back to the home page. So you can scan your drives here, and then you can recover lost files if you accidentally deleted them, which is really nice. So thank you very much for watching. Have a good day, and we'll see you next time for another video. Bye-bye for now.